And a very important skill, which I will encourage you all to have, is to read voraciously. Read about what is happening, in startups, in companies. What are the AI models they are building, and also try to. And if you attend workshops or conferences, or hear, let's say, a talk like this, try to summarize it in writing yourself, because this crystallizes your understanding, and then you can have a bigger audience with whom you can interact, and potentially, let's say, meet like-minded founders or colleagues who you'd like to work with. Right? Now, if I look at point 9, it is important to build like subject matter expertise or domain expertise. So let's say if you're very interested in finance, then you will understand how financial data looks and works. It is different from, let's say, finance, from healthcare, from education, because the use cases are different and the data that is emerging from whatever you build is different. So it is also important to understand an industry in detail. That's how does finance work? How does healthcare work? How does e-commerce work? How does delivery work, for instance? And that helps you have better intuition for what new applications you can build. What are the problems that you can solve with AI, for instance? Like, and it's also very important to have soft skills. Like a lot of people who are in AI have very strong coding or engineering skills, but it's also very important to have strong communication, interpersonal skills, and empathy for for the user who is using your product, so that you can use those insights to improve upon and build a better AI product or service. Right. And if you do all this, then you have much better intuition for what is a problem which you can attack, as a startup founder yourself. And then as a startup founder, it is important to do quick experiments. Try experiment A, B, C. If it doesn't work, go back to the board, refine your hypothesis. And, and it's also important as a leader to be able to sell your vision, not only to investors, but to potential employees and customers as well. So there's a lot of, skills that are important and that you can nurture and develop over time.